Wherever you go, wherever you stay, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. No matter how far, how broken you are, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. Hey, I don't know you, but I know you got tension in your neck. Stressed out, too addicted to your phone to go to bed. If that's you, then take a breath. Yeah, feel these words inside your chest. You are loved, you are chosen. Your body isn't broken. For every door that closes, a better one gets opened. You got a light inside, too radiant to hide. If you don't think so, let me change your mind. Wherever you go, wherever you stay, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. No matter how far, how broken you are, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. Always. And you ain't gotta do a thing to get that love. You ain't gotta act nice to get that hug. It don't matter if you stuck inside that mud, the sun's still gonna be shining down on us. If you ever felt left out, burdened or weak, I promise not to lie straight from the enemy. Coming for your mind, body, soul, and energy. But do not be deceived, cause you are loved, you are chosen. Your body isn't broken. For every door that closes, a better one gets opened. You got a light inside, too radiant to hide. If you don't think so, let me change your mind. Wherever you go, wherever you stay, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. No matter how far, how broken you are, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. Always.
Hi, Mara J. Kim. First and foremost, I am truly happy for your new journey in life that God has given you. I believe it's because of your faithfulness sa Kanya. You just surrendered everything to Him and fully trusted His leading. And now God just opened this amazing door for you. I thank God for the unexpected but beautiful friendship that we've built. Though we are miles apart, I'm from Davao and you're from Manila. And ngayon magja-Japan ka na. Aww! Our friendship has been a blessing in my life and really made a big impact, most especially in my spiritual walk. And I am truly grateful for that. I will definitely miss your company, our travels together, our kwentuhan, even when we bully each other. I am grateful because I met your family, even si Ellie and si Hadj. Diba? What a blessing and what a gift our friendship has been. Just go and be the salt and light wherever God sends you. Just don't forget your friends back here, especially the awesome ones like me. And when you get homesick, don't forget to eat ramen. Why? Wala lang. It won't fix anything. At least busog ka while you are crying. Pero who knows? There will be someone who would comfort you there. God's best. But anyway, I'm always rooting for you. I'm always here for you. And may God bless your new journey. Bora J talaga. See you in Japan!
Hi, anak! Happy birthday! Ay, mali. Hindi pala birthday. But yun na, I just really wanna be serious about this message. I just really wanna appreciate you for the journey that we've gone and go through together until mapunta ka ng Japan. please know that you always have Tatay here in the Philippines, and we're still willing to answer calls, your messages, DMs, or whatsoever. I will be definitely your love, your joy that you brought in the ID group. And anak, I will definitely miss you so much. So please be good there, speak Jesus there, and always see to it that the Lord is watching you. Okay? So I may not be there, but Jesus, God, will definitely be at your side. Okay? So, Tatay loves you so much. Love you, anak.
Para lang akong gagawa ng AC. Tingin ko para akong gagawa ng ng project sa school. So, iyan. Paano ba? Ngayon, aalis ka na. Sana mag-ingat ka palagi kung saan ka man pupunta or kung saan man destination ka mapadpad. Kahit dito man yan sa Pilipinas lang o kahit sa ibang bansa ka, kahit libutin mo pa yung buong mundo. Mag-iingat ka parate, Kuya Ian. Gusto ko lang sabihin na sobrang thankful ako kasi meron akong Kuya Ian na laging sumusuporta sa akin. Babad umiyak ko, my God. Laging sumusuporta sa akin. Nagpapasalamat ako kasi kahit na alam kong mahirap yung buhay, andito lang kayo palagi nila tita para suportahan ako. Thank you kasi kahit hindi mo man kami kapatid nila Kuya Andre, nagpapakakuya ka sa aming lahat. Thank you sa lahat-lahat, Kuya Ian. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Huwag mong pababayaan yung sarili mo, Kuya Ian. Lagi ka lang magdadasal. Kapag ka feel mo na lonely ka na, Kuya, isipin mo lang lagi yung mga banding nating magpipinsan, banding nating dalawa, na or mag-video call tayo kapag wala kang ginagawa. Ingatan mo palagi yung sarili mo, wag mong papabayaan, lalo na yung kalusugan mo. Alam ko naman na madalas na nagpa-fasting ka. pero kumain ka palagi sa tamang oras, Kuya. Dapat alagaan mo yung sarili mo, lalo na sa pagtulog mo. Dapat magpapahinga ka at least 8 to 10 hours lang. Thank you sa lahat, Kuya. Mahal na mahal na mahal na mahal kita. Ingat ka palagi. Love you.
Hi Ian, to my firstborn nephew. First experience ko sa lahat for being as a tita. I'm so lucky to have you and I'm so proud to have you as my nephew. Ikaw ang naging unang modelo ng mga pinsan mo. Kaya hiling ko rin, hangad ko rin na kung ano man ang tinatahak mo ngayon ay siyang tutularan ng yung mga pinsan. Kaya sobrang tumantuwa ako sa iyo, Ian. At marami ka nang nagagawa sa edad mo na yan. At marami ka pang gustong gawin. At nandun kami to support you. Morally, spiritually, and mentally. To guide you. Yan. At saan ka man naroroon, mag-iingat ka palagi. At always step your feet on the ground. Be humble. Pagpalain ka pa ni Lord lalo. Protectionan ka pa ni Lord. At i-guide ka sa lahat ng mga gusto mong landas na pupuntahan, ay maging matagumpay ka, na yun naman ang hangad naming lahat. We love you, Ian, so much. Ingat ka palagi. Mwah!
Na po, my first grandchild talaga na talagang devoted sa kanya pag-aaral, devoted kay God ng lumaki. Maraming salamat sa mga biyayang binibigay mo. Ingat ka lang dyan sa pupuntahan mo at napakaikli naman itong aming video. Mahal na mahal ka ng lola mo, you know that very well. Take care of yourself always, especially your health. Don't forget Just don't forget God. Put God always in the center of your heart. Nothing less, nothing more, because God is without God we are nothing. Be who you are, be what you are, and be humble. I love you, Apo, because you're my first grandchild na naging mabait sa akin at naging masunurin. I love you talaga. I love you so much. Maraming salamat sa iyo, Apo.
Hello anak. Alam ko masaya ka kasi kahit papaano yung dreams mo na makapunta ka, yung plano mo sa buhay mo na pinagdarasal mo, eto na, maaabot mo na. Siyempre anak, papasalamat ako sa Diyos kasi wala naman kami ibang hiling, dinarasal din para sa iyo. Mahal na mahal ka namin anak. Salamat kasi napakabait mo. Wala akong masabi anak. Napakabait. Sa akin hindi naman ako nag-aangad ng iba eh. Yun lang na kahit na mag-isa ka na nakakaya mo. Tapos anak, kang mag-alala, andito kami ni mama mo. Kung paghahandaan namin para mapasyalan ka namin. Pag-ipunan namin yan anak. Pag ikaw mag-isa doon, kayanin mo. Pagka tawag ka lang, diba? Tawagan mo lang ako, pero anak, hindi mo lang alam kung gaano ka namin mamimiss. Pero ganun talaga eh. Kailangan natin magtiis, magtiyaga, diba? Basta sa akin anak, yung health mo, kung pababayaan, palagi kang mag-iingat, palagi mong tatawagan si mama mo, mag-update ka lagi, para alam mo naman si mama mo, mahal na mahal ka ni mama. Siyempre, mahal na mahal din kita. Anak, please lang, yung health mo, wala kang kasama doon. Mag-isa ka doon. Huwag mong pababayaan yung sarili mo, anak. I love you so much, anak. Thank you.
Nak, thankful ako kay Lord kasi lahat ng mga prayers mo, tinutupad niya. Kasi mabuti kang anak. Thank you, Nak, sa pagmamahal mo sa akin, sa papa mo. Alam mo, tong desisyon mo sa buhay na to, alam ko matagal mo nang gusto to. And alam ko na i-guide ka ni Lord. Alam mo na mahirap para sa akin na malayo ka, alam mo yun. Pero para sa'yo to na will to ni Lord para sa'yo. Kaya magpakatatag ka dun, anak. Kung ano yung ginagawa mo dito sa Manila, i-continue mo yung devotions mo, lalo kapag maging mas malapit kay Lord pagdating dun. Totoo na kinikip talaga ni Lord yung promises niya sa atin. Basta na lagi ka rin mag-update pag nandun ka na, katulad ng ginagawa mo dito. Mahirap, pero kakayanin natin to na. Pupuntahan ka namin ni Papa mo if God's will. Lagi mo tatandaan, anak, na mahal ka namin. Yung tama yung nasa Bible na Jeremiah 29:11. For I know the plans I have for you, declares the Lord. Plans to prosper you and not to harm you. Plans to give you hope in a future. And tama din yung nasa Bible, Psalm 119:114, na God is our refuge and our shield. And God is keeping His word palagi. Mahal na mahal kita, anak. Lagi ka mag-update, yun lang. Huwag mong pababayaan ng sarili mo. mag-iingat ka palagi. And lagi mo isipin si Lord bago ka gumawa ng isang bagay. If will niya ba ito, hindi. I love you so much, anak. Iyan. Mahal kita, anak. Bye-bye.
Kikita pa tayo. Ha? I love you.